Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we going to checking out 5 best drill bits for wood you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best drill bits for wood in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is DEWALT Drill Bit Set. If you need a well-rounded drill bit set that balances performance and price, the DEWALT DWA1184 is a fantastic option. The DEWALT DWA1184 drill bit set performs exceptionally well across a range of materials. The sharp split points make starting holes smooth and effortless, even on metal surfaces. The bits maintain their edge longer than many competitors, and they exhibit minimal heat buildup during use, ensuring longer life. The range of sizes offers flexibility for diverse tasks, from furniture assembly to automotive repairs. The precision around 135-degree split point reduces walking on the material, ensuring accurate and clean starts. This design is particularly useful for metal drilling and other precision tasks. The included tough plastic case keeps the bits organized and protected. The case is compact and easy to carry, with slots for each bit clearly labeled for quick identification. The set includes 14 commonly used sizes, catering to a range of applications. From small pilot holes to larger bores, this set has you covered. Constructed with high-speed steel, these bits are built to last through repeated use on tough materials like metal and hardwood, designed to drill through plastic, wood, and metal, making it versatile for various projects. The DEWALT DWA1184 drill bit set performs exceptionally well across a range of materials. The sharp split points make starting holes smooth and effortless, even on metal surfaces. Our second best drill bits for wood is TITGGI Masonry Drill Bit Set. If you're looking for a dependable and versatile masonry drill bit set, TITGGI offers outstanding value and performance. This set can handle a wide range of materials, including glass, brick, cement, wood, tile, and plastic, making it ideal for various home improvement and professional projects. The high-quality carbide tips ensure excellent cutting performance, maintaining sharpness and durability even after extended use. The drill bits are built with high-strength materials, reducing wear and ensuring longevity even during heavy-duty use. Engineered with a U-type groove design, the bits provide efficient debris removal, ensuring smoother operation. The 10-piece set includes sizes from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, covering a wide variety of drilling needs, compatible with most power drills, offering versatility for different tools and projects. The TITGGI Professional Masonry Drill Bit Set, 10 PCS, is an excellent investment for anyone who needs reliable, multi-purpose drill bits. Its industrial-strength carbide tips deliver precision and durability, while its versatility makes it a go-to choice for a variety of materials and projects. The thoughtful design and comprehensive size range make it a practical addition to any workshop or home toolkit. The TITGGI Drill Bit Set performs exceptionally well on its advertised materials. The carbide tips allow for precise and clean drilling on delicate surfaces like glass and tile, while also cutting effectively through. Third pick in our list is COMOWARE Titanium Twist Drill Bit Set. If you need a reliable set for general household or hobby projects, this COMOWARE drill bit set is a valuable addition to your toolkit. The use of high-speed steel ensures precision and reliability, particularly when working on softer materials. The set includes 13 sizes ranging from 1/16 inch to 1/4 inch, covering most common drilling needs for small projects. Works seamlessly with most drills, including cordless models, making it versatile and convenient for different tasks. The titanium coating enhances the durability of the bits, improving heat resistance and reducing wear, ensuring a longer lifespan. Each bit is equipped with a quick change hex shank, allowing for fast and secure bit swapping. This feature is especially handy for power drills and impact drivers. The COMOWARE Titanium Twist Drill Bit Set, 13 PCS, is a practical, affordable option for DIYers and professionals tackling light drilling tasks. It combines durability, ease of use, and precision, making it ideal for woodworking, plastic, and light metalwork. While it's not built for heavy-duty applications, it excels in its intended scope of use. The COMOWARE Drill Bit Set performs well for small-scale projects. The bits cut cleanly and efficiently through wood, plastic, and aluminum alloy, delivering precise holes with minimal burrs. The titanium coating ensures reduced friction, improving efficiency and reducing wear during prolonged use. However, these bits are not designed for heavy-duty drilling, particularly in harder materials like steel or concrete, which could dull the cutting edges prematurely. Number 4 in our side is IRWIN SPEEDBOR Drill Bit Set. Whether you're building furniture, framing walls, or working on DIY projects, this set is an excellent investment that will serve you well for years. The IRWIN Tools IRWIN SPEEDBOR Drill Bit Set is a reliable, high-performing choice for woodworkers. Its combination of precision, speed, and durability makes it a standout option for drilling clean, smooth holes with ease. While it's limited to wood applications, it excels in its intended purpose. This set is ideal for carpenters, DIYers, and professionals who frequently work with wood. It's particularly great for those needing a reliable, fast drilling solution for furniture making, framing, or general woodworking projects. The IRWIN SPEEDBOR bits deliver impressive performance in both softwoods and hardwoods. The cutting tips start quickly without wandering, ensuring accurate placement. The tri-flute design significantly improves the drilling speed, which is particularly helpful when working on multiple holes or larger projects. Additionally, the bits maintain sharpness well over time and offer clean, precise cuts with minimal effort. They're compatible with most drills and provide excellent stability during operation. Includes 6 commonly used sizes: 5/8 inch, 3/4 inch, 7/8 inch, 1 inch, 1/1/8 and 1/1/4, suitable for a variety of wood drilling needs. Durable steel construction ensures longevity and consistent performance. Last in our best drill bits for wood list is WORKPRO Spade Drill Bit Set. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a seasoned carpenter, this set will make your woodworking projects faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Highly recommended for its quality and value. This set is perfect for woodworkers of all skill levels, whether you're tackling DIY projects, furniture building, or professional carpentry. Its ease of use and durability make it a practical addition to any toolbox. The WORKPRO Spade bits deliver excellent results, cutting through wood with minimal resistance. The sharp edges and polished paddle design ensure clean, precise holes with little splintering. They work well on a variety of wood types, including pine, oak, and plywood. The quick change hex shank is a particularly convenient feature, allowing smooth transitions between bits during tasks.